In this short video, we're going to look at how you can use Siri to improve your workflow. So to begin with, I'm going to activate Siri by either pressing on the Siri button down here or on the Siri button in the top corner. Open up Pages. So amongst Siri's many functions, one thing that Siri can do is open up applications for you. So I've opened up Pages and I'm going to open up this Important Battles Timelines sheet. Now, one of the great things about Siri is that you can use it while you're getting on with your work and it doesn't really impede on the workflow. So, for example, I might want to start with the Battle of Hastings. And for whatever reason, I might have forgotten when that was, so I can go to Siri and ask, when was the Battle of Hastings?
It happened the 14th of October 1066.
Well, there you go. 1066. Okay, so I could ask about another battle. When was the Battle of Waterloo?
It happened the 18th of June 1815.
There you go. So I could just keep on adding to my document without having to leave Pages and do a bit of internet research. It's all happening on the side, and it's even giving me some extra information that I might want to put into my document. There you go. Now, Siri can also open up folders for you. For example, open up my downloads.
Here's that folder.
Now, within downloads, I have got some images that I'm going to put into my document here. I've got the Battle of Hastings here, so I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop that into there. And I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop this one into here. So there you go. That's just 2 or 3 different ways that Siri can make a huge impression on the workflow that you might enjoy on a MacBook.